Hi, welcome to Aditya Services YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Redmi K50i mobile. This mobile will be launched on the 24th of August 2022, expected. This mobile will come in two variants. 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM, 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM. Now let's talk about the specification of this mobile. It will come with 6GB, 8GB RAM. This mobile will come with MediaTek Dimensity 8100 MT6895Z processor. It will have a rear camera setup of 64MP, 8MP, 2MP and a front camera of 16MP. Talking about the battery, there will be a 5080 mAh battery. Display is 6.6 inches with IPS LCD. Now let's know about its price. Its price is going to be around 26,000 Indian rupees.